Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And on this video we're going to continue on with the VR wagon at work. So I've got a booth load of parts. So it's currently Friday. I'm coming in tomorrow morning to get these painted. So I've got the doors set up and the guards. I'll flip around and give you a look at how I'm set up. The plan is to paint everything white, and then I'm going to come back in and do all the silver on the lower parts of the doors and the guards. Reason being is I need some door molds to sit on the doors and the guard, so I know where they finish at the top, so I can mask those off, so when the molds are on, all the silver lines up. So I'll flip it around, give you a look, and then we'll get stuck into it. So just giving you a quick look, all the sealer in the backs of the doors have all been taken out, and I've put all brand new sealer in there. Just wiped it all nice and neat. I would have painted the whole back of the door, but the owners left all the reg and everything in there, so I've got to mask it. So all four doors I've redone all the sealer. So they've all been pulled out, all four of them. Fresh sealer. Now we're in the booth and we're ready to get painting. So let's get into it. All right, so we're ready to clear. So exactly like the body, I'm going to put 3 coats of clear on the outside, 2 on the inside of the doors. So I'm using, as I showed you, it's the Baslac 40/40 clear, 50/20 hardener, 60/20 thinner, and it's 2:1 and 20%. It's the perfect fucking ratio. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats on the outsides, insides, and then I'll put a third on the outside, giving it 5-minute intervals in between each coat. So between first and the second coat's 5 minutes. Between second and third is 10 minutes. Every coat you add another 5 minutes. All right, we don't want solvent boil. We want to make sure that it's all laid out nice and it's tacked off nice. So let's get into it. that's 2 coats on. So I'm going to give it 10 minutes. I'm going to have a coffee, let it set up for 10 minutes, and then I'll come back in and put a nice 3rd coat on it, and then we're all done. We'll wrap it up. So I won't film the 3rd coat. I'll just come in and show you the result, and then we can move forward with it. All right, so we're all done. That's 3 coats on, and we're all finished, so I can go home, which is good because it's meant to be my day off, but I thought I'll come in and paint this, get the job moving along. You know, doing a VL, I feel like I'm in my element. You know, early Commodores are my thing, and old Holdens, that's where my heart lies. I love doing them. Any old cars really, but yeah. So yeah, anyway, I'll flip it around, give you a look, see what you reckon, and show you what you can get if your car's booked in for a date with me in the spray booth. All right, so now that they're all done, I'm going to let these sit over the weekend, and I've got to come in. Well, obviously I've got to come in. It's work next week. The owner's bringing me a couple of door molds and things, so I can paint the bottom of the doors and the bottom of the guards silver. But I need them molds so I can sit them on there where they're going to be, and get my tape lines to the top of the molds. So that'll be the next thing. I'll be doing all the silver on these parts, and then that only leaves us with the tailgate and the bonnet. And got to paint inside the rear cargo area, then the whole car's pretty much ready to go together. So I'm looking forward to seeing it all painted and put back together. Yeah, I love this shit. Anyway, that's all for this one. Till I do the rest of it, I'll see you then. So if you liked what you saw, consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you to everyone that keeps supporting me and watching the channel, leaving comments. You know, I love all that. I appreciate all the support. So yeah, until the next one, I'll see you then. Cheers.